This is Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous. Dear students, in this session, we are going to hear about a prose piece which is written by the great Indian monk Swami Vivekananda. Let's see small biographical sketch of this great philosopher Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January, was an Indian Hindu monk. He was a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world, and he is credited with rising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century. He was a major force in the contemporary Hindu reform movements in India and contributed to the concept of nationalism in colonial India. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Math and the Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best known for his speech, which began with the words Sisters and Brothers of America, in which he introduced Hinduism at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893. In our syllabus, we have The Secret of Work. It is a prose piece in which Vivekananda examines with ever-timely poignancy the ways in which he mistake the doing for the being and worship the perseverance of our productivity over the aspirations of our soul. And then we should know the bandages of our soul, which says good and bad are both bandages of the soul. If we do not attach ourselves to the work we do, it will not have any binding effect on our soul. This is the one central idea in the Gita. Work incessantly, but be not attached to it. So according to Vivekananda, every work that we do, every movement of the body, every thought that we think leaves such an impression on the mind stuff, and even such impressions are not obvious on the surface. They are sufficiently strong to work beneath the surface subconsciously. What we are every moment is determined by the sum total of these impressions on the mind. This is really what is meant by character. Each man's character is determined by the sum total of these impressions. If good impressions prevail, the character becomes good. If bad impressions prevail, it becomes bad. If a man continuously hears bad words, thinks bad thoughts, does bad actions, then his mind will be full of bad impressions, and they will influence his thought and work without his being conscious of the fact. In fact, these bad impressions are always working, and their resultant must be evil, and that man will be a bad man. He cannot help it. The sum total of these impressions in him will create the strong motive power for doing bad actions. He will be able, like a machine in the hands of his impressions, and they will force him to do evil. Similarly, if a man thinks good thoughts and does good works, the sum total of these impressions will be good, and they, in a similar manner, will force him to do good even in spite of himself. When a man has done so much good work and thought so many good thoughts, that there is an irresistible tendency in him to do good in spite of himself, and even if he wishes to do evil, his mind, as the sum total of his tendencies, will not allow him to do so. The tendencies will turn him back. He is completely under his influence of the good tendencies. When such is the case, a man's good character is said to be established. As the tortoise tucks its feet and head inside the shell, and you may kill it and break it in pieces, and yet it will not come out. Even so, the character of that man who has control over his motives and organs is unchangeably established. He controls his own inner forces, and nothing can draw them out against his will. By this continuous reflex of good thoughts, good impressions moving over the surface of the mind, the tendency for doing good becomes strong, and as a result, he feel be to control the sense organs, the nerve centers. Thus, alone will character be established. Then alone a man gets to truth. Such a man is safe forever. He cannot do any evil. In this way, he is explaining about how good impressions are building a good character.